everyone, I am Alpna. Today I am going to describe the poem The Truth, which is written by the famous poet Anthony Smith. Children, do you know what is the importance of telling a truth? The importance of telling a truth is that you will be loved by everyone, you will get respect from everyone, and God will also bless you with a good life if you will speak truth. Now I will be proceeding with the poem. Say what you want, mean what you say. Always try to be focused the things which you want to tell to anybody. It should have a proper meaning. You are very free to speak truth. Now the question comes, what is truth and what are the lies in life? Truth is the voice of heart. Truth is the voice of soul which is generally accepted by everyone. It is not resisted. All of you will loving be, you will be loved by everyone if you speak truth. Remember the darkest lights of the day. Try to remember the things which you have done wrong. You have done any mistakes in the life. This is only the darkness. This is only the darkest thing in your life. Never try to forget the things which you have done wrong to anybody. Be who you are. Always try to be what you are. Always try to be a sharp character. Don't try to pretend. Don't be a showy nature. Don't try to imitate others. The truth is going to bring to your knees. Truth is the path which is making you feel humble, making you generous. It is the thing, it is the path which is making you get rid of the ego and the arrogance. It is making you humble, it is making you a noble man. Truth is the virtue which everyone should possess. It is making a man, a good human being. Now I will begin with the third stanza of this poem. The truth is that we all need. As we know that everyone needs truth in the life, because speaking truth will create no confusion. Speaking of the truth will make your life smooth. The truth is the end of a mystery. Mystery means something that creates a confusion, something which puzzles you. But if you choose the path of truth, then it will create a life which will be free from any confusion. Children, many of you make false promises, but false promises create a confusion in life, makes your life more trouble. But if you select to the path of truth, then you will be very much free and you will be loved by everyone and your life will be happy. The truth is out there, you will see. The truth is out there for you and me. As we know that in the world, the truth exists for everyone, for you, for me and for everyone. But it is the duty of us that how we are behaving, how we are selecting the truth path to conduct the life. How we are behaving, whether we are selecting the path of truth to make our life more happy, or we are only doing the false promises to show the wrong things. That is only helping in our life if we conduct the path of truth. Now I will explain you the fifth stanza. The fifth stanza explains that the truth is out there, the search is not in vain. That is, wherever you will see, you will find the truth is prevailing. In the nature, the truth is prevailing. You will find that truth is in nature. And when you will follow the path of truth, you will always get success. In vain means unsuccess. If you follow the path of truth, you will always get success. But if you will not follow the path of truth, you will get all the mysteries, all the unsuccess in your life. The truth is out there in rain. I have already explained you that In the nature, the truth prevails. In whole of the world, wherever you will go, you will find the people who are speaking truth are loved by everyone and they are getting success in their life. Say what you want, but you better believe the truth is a goal we all must achieve. Say what you want, whatever you want to say, you are free to say. But the goal, the aim of your life is to speak truth in the life. Then only you will get the success. You are having a blessed life by God. God had created you and He had only advised that the path of truth will make you a good human being. So always children try to speak truth in your life which will be allowing you to get success in your life, and this is only the motive of a particular human being. This explains my poem. Thank you.